Here we go. The blizzard. This is the blizzard of 2015. Oh my god, I can't fucking even fucking move. Look at this. Look at that. Blizzard 2015. It's a blizzard. This is kind of funny. Sidewalk's clear. The way to tell that if it's a blizzard or not is if you can see blades of grass, and you can still see blades of grass. Really? The blizzard of 2015. We're going to keep walking here. The blizzard of 2015. Oh no! I'm gonna die if I keep going. Oh no! Here we go. Oh, it's getting kind of deep over here. That don't really matter though. Here we are. In the street. Here we are. There's a whole fucking 4 inches. Probably not even 4 inches. Probably like 2 inches in the street. If you look at my footprints. This is it though. I'm the only one out here. This is the blizzard of 2015. I don't want anybody to forget this. Because tomorrow morning when I wake up, I'm going to film what's left. And hopefully it's not too bad. But, you know, because then it'll make me look like a fool. But I'm going to film what happens out here. What you see out here. See, I know it's kind of dark. Kind of sucks. But I'm going to film what happens out here. You know, like 12 hours later. I don't think it's going to be much worse. I think everybody hyped this storm up. That's what I think. Yeah. Let's go. It's the blizzard of 2015. Whew. I'll tell you what. There ain't nothing like a good blizzard to get your heart pumping. Here we go. There we go. Lights on. Lights on. Selfie time. Woo-hoo, blizzard 2015. All right. To be continued.